ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಇಂದ್ರಾಣಿ. ನಾನು ದುರ್ಗದಳ್ಳಿ. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ GHPS ದುರ್ಗದಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾನು 7th ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ನಾನಿವತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮೂರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮೂರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತ ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳಿವೆ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಮೋಡಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳ ಸಾಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿವೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಈ ಸಿಟಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ಧೂಳು ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದ್ರಿಂದಲೇ ತುಂಬೋಗಿದೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮೂರ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹಂಗಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗಾಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನ್ ಬಿಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನ್ ಮಾತಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂದ್ರಾಣಿ. ನೀವ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನಮ್ದು ಒಂದ್ ರೇಡಿಯೋ, ನಮ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ರೇಡಿಯೋ. ಇದು ನಮ್ದೇ ದುನಿಯಾ, GHPS ದುರ್ಗದಳ್ಳಿ.
Durgadahalli and Halekote are villages near Tumkur, nestled amidst mountains rich with knowledge, biodiversity and creativity. Just as many rural and marginalized communities are facing a quick and systematic erosion of their narratives, these villages too are grappling with the need to respond to this loss. While mass media continues to overshadow narratives that define who they are, a few young voices are collaborating with Janastu to reclaim spaces in media making and decentralize the publishing of knowledge to the low literates, non-literates, and youth.
So now you look at like what is this? How is this possible? Right? Well, one possibility is like something like a Raspberry Pi. It's a credit card size computer. It kind of embeds itself very nicely, right? With a mic, then your radio device, a storage device, and if it's a local mesh network, then the recordings can be communicated to a central place where a bunch of girls who love to listen and edit, right, will make it into an edited thing. They also recognize where it was created, who to acknowledge, right, and how to make it into a program that reaches more people or archive it, right. And on the large, we also need, for every few Raspberry Pis, there should be a part of a larger small but a bigger network and a bigger node. They are all connected there and then they communicate with each other, right. So then we have this Libre routers, which are the open source routers. They can do long jumps, long hops, or they can give a local area network Wi-Fi range. So it's natural to plug them in and make it into a what we call as a mesh network, right. ತಗರಿಯ ಗಿಡವ ನೋಡೆ ಗಂಗಮ್ಮ ಜೋಲಾಡ ಜೋಕು ನೋಡೆ ಗಂಗಮ್ಮ ಜೋಲಾಡ ಜೋಕು ನೋಡೆ.
ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಕೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಳೆನೇ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ.
Young local girls Lakshmi, Kusuma, Ramya, Varsha and many others were encouraged to run a local media making kiosk and studio by creating archives of stories, radio modules, podcasts and songs by recording voices from their own villages and editing them.
Initially, when we started setting up radio station in Durgadahalli, these girls were very interested to come and participate in the radio activity. But their parents were not happy. They used to avoid them and they used to keep them only in the houses. They never used to send. But nowadays, when they started exploring new things on radio, their parents are very comfortable. So this could be a channel where they can break open their houses, break the walls of the schools, and even have certain normative practices like early marriage, alcoholism, and a lot of other prejudice. So now, by opening up a new channel for these girls, so they could able to explore and communicate and educate the community by using this medium of community radio.
ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇವಜ್ಜಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತು. ಹೀಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ನಮ್ದು ಒಂದು ರೇಡಿಯೋ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ರೇಡಿಯೋ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಮಗಳು ಸ್ಲಿಮ್ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ.
ಅದೇ ಈಗ ಊರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಕಷ್ಟ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಬೆಳೆ ಬೆಳೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಅವರಿಂದ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನಾವು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ.
I mean, coming out is always, you know, a magical space. You know, every moment of it you are destroying a construct that was imposed by the people around you, right? And it's only a matter of time where people feel like, what's going on here? Did I know that my girl will speak like that to the world? The first few instances of that experience is magical for the parents, for the neighbors. Is this a girl from our village? I can't believe it. You know how beautifully she sang, and the whole village is listening.
Because there is no network at all. There's one school, there are children who go to the private school, but like due to lockdown they cannot go. If they have to attend the online sessions, how do they do? Because it's completely a rural area, no network at all.
Now we are in a stage and we realize this next logical step forward is to provide internet through this mesh. What we did was an exploration of sorts, and now it's grounded us also in seeing like how everybody together can be brought back, you know, into a space of experimentation without it necessarily having to be a school based, a government based, startup based. You know, it's a community, still a community owned activity, right? It's still a cow mesh, community owned wireless mesh.
Hello?
Shalini.
So here the internet is working 4 Mbps. I can read DD Hills. Where is Sanket?
Sanket is still fiddling with the same cables.
What is the alignment thing you're getting?
72.
That is Durgali one, no?
Durgali one. Yeah.
Durgali you got. So
No, it says DD Hills.
No, you are using the. We have two antennas, no?
Is it W line 1 or 2?
1.